Is Delhi the most chaotic city in the world? Welcome to Delhi, a city often described as the most chaotic city in the world. If you've ever tried to find your luggage at this airport, you might just agree. But there's also a modern side to this mega city.
The baggage situation here is a little chaotic. It said that our baggage was out at 10, but then it came out at 9 and then it was already stacked on the side. You really need to look everywhere to find your baggage because there's so many bags everywhere. And it is pretty spacious. I love this little corner right here where you can sit and enjoy your breakfast.
Aloo basically means potatoes, boil the potatoes, and then they mash it, and they mix spices like garam masala, green chilies, and so on, and then they cook it. That's why it's so flavorful. It's like a popular dish in North India. And it's eaten as a breakfast or lunch option. It's typically served with yogurt, and they gave me a huge bowl of yogurt. They have these pickles too, and butter. It's really good butter too.
Me too. Oh wow.
Oh, so that's where you don't get into the wrong taxi. That is nice.
Connaught Place is one of Delhi's most iconic shopping districts, a mix of high-end boutiques with flea markets. We're currently on a mission to find a sari for my friend's wedding. I thought I knew what I was looking for until I saw all the options. Most stores selling saris only sell the cloth. Getting the top and tailoring is usually somewhere else. I recently just found out about this but won't have time to get it tailored before the wedding. But the service here is amazing. They helped me drape the sari to see how it looks on me before making the purchase.
Like a blouse. So we're in Connaught Place right now and we're going to Khan Market to check out Amrapali and figure out the whole lehenga situation because we still haven't figured out where to buy a lehenga. Each Uber ride is like 15-minute ride or something. It's like €2 and then you get in and you give them a code and basically that's it. It's like super safe.
Khan Market is known for its upscale and trendy vibe. It has the most expensive retail spaces in India, which means prices are on the steeper end as well.
Anywhere. We're here at the Lodi. We're gonna have dinner at the Indian Accent today. Everyone that we told we're coming to New Delhi, they were saying go to the Indian Accent, go to the Indian Accent. So we're definitely trying it. It's ranked one of the world's best restaurants and also top restaurants in Asia.
I'm very hungry.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is cauliflower and saffron soup.
Wow.
So with a pinch of garam masala. It's an oat cheese samosa.
Okay.
Interesting.
It's so good. Eating my first layer. Do you want?
Sure, there's something in there. Chandni Chowk.
And this is the crab.
It would be very hard for you to be in.
This little pressure cooker. So refreshing. Look at my freaking chicken. And there's stuffed chicken in this bread. Oh my god. Like literally melts in my mouth. Life is good. Dinner was so good. If you are in New Delhi, you definitely need to come to Indian Accent. So worth it. bathtub as well. So you enter and then there is a toilet there, shower there, bathtub here, pretty sizable bathtub. Yeah, look, it's connected to the bedroom. Perfect. This is the famous thing. We're currently here at the ITC Hotel. Look at this. We're here to eat at the Bukhara restaurant. You can actually see live how they're cooking, so that's super amazing. The butter naan, it looks so different from like any other naans that I've ever seen. Look at it, like multi-layers.
It's like pizza. It's a good focus properly. Am I waving? Oh, okay.
The name of the mosque, Isa Khan Niazi. They all used to live in this place.
Wow, look at this. We are currently at Humayun's tomb. So basically, Humayun is the great-grandfather of Shah Jahan, the guy who built the Taj Mahal. And actually, Humayun's wife built this for him. So this is also a tomb of love. Careful one. Basically, this is a replica to prevent anybody from stepping over the real grave, which is directly under here. So basically, he got inspiration from this tomb. Like, this tomb is the OG tomb, and then Taj Mahal is like the new tomb.
That was really beautiful, thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome soon.
And in the sunlight, my God, such nice photos.
Residence of Indian person.
Look at my socks. Wow, look at the moon. In Chandni Chowk, which is the old town of Delhi, and this market was built by Shah Jahan, same guy who built the Taj Mahal. He moved the capital from Agra to New Delhi.
Central part of Old Delhi. Fatehpuri was the first. tea here.
Wow.
And blend of spices, cinnamon,
Everything inside?
cardamom and ginger and tea seeds, and also we have sugar and milk and the mineral water. This is the final one, finished one, and this is on making right.
Oh. How do you eat it? Like this?
I can't ever go back to the dusty spice jars from the supermarket ever again. I also tasted the best cinnamon steak I've ever had. Who knew they are this fragrant?
Thank you so much. Smells great. Back. Look at this flower thing that we got. The tuk-tuk guy gave us. They're so nice here.
But they also do it just for the tip, of course, right?
Now the room's gonna smell so nice.
What did you say? The
Fish curry.
Wow.
This one looks like this.
Fish curry. So this is the masala.
I'm absolutely loving the food journey here in India. Each dish has been a dream and I'm obsessed with fish curry. Everything is so fresh and flavors are so well balanced. There's an abundance of spices, yet everything just comes together harmoniously.
Thank you. Mint chutney, tomato chutney, and peanut chutney. And then this one here is something else. This is dosa. And I got dosa with masala. So there's something inside. It's not plain. And it came with curry. And I'm not sure what this is. But I think I'm just going to try and dip it and see what happens. You can see my arm, it's getting darker. Look how pretty it is. That's literally my name.
It makes sense if your cigarette dot is locked.
We're currently at the Ambience Mall. Just basically chill and walk around. Yeah, it looks really, really nice. We are walking to the next mall here. I think it's called CLF Promenade. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. Wow, look at the jackets here. If you come for a wedding, definitely check out Ambience Mall and also this Promenade Mall here right next to it. It's super big and spend all day here. They have all the pretty saris. Look at that shop. They have all the costume jewelry as well. See, you can find like all sorts of different types of jewelry. I freaking love this store because they have scarves and stuff like that. We're going to Haldiram's now to hopefully find some kaju katli. It's like this Indian snack store. Wow, this is
So, is Delhi the most chaotic city in the world? Maybe. But it's also one of the most fascinating. From luxury hotels to bustling streets of Chandni Chowk, Delhi is a city of incredible contrasts. It's chaotic, yes, but it's also beautiful, vibrant, and full of life. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. We're going to attend my friend's multi-day wedding now and celebrate Indian style.